She's shitting bricks right now.
Right here. Yeah, I remember this. Cause we was leaning. He said go passenger. Cause it was lean. Oh, see, he going the wrong way.
Give me a second.
Oh. She pulling her mirror in.
You might need to pull mine in. I'm fastening. You know your seatbelt.
Whoa! I thought he's supposed to go passenger. See if you go on that rock, you gonna hold on, put my damn seatbelt.
Don, go ahead and pull that passenger mirror in.
I did.
Whoa.
Just fine.
Whoa!
Tommy, do you want me to come push your mirror in?
No, I believe I can park it and get it. Yeah, I'm just watching Dom up here in front of me getting on 3 wheels.
Oh shit. Ask him why he had to say that shit.
That's what we was on. Alright, that was fun.
No, it wasn't.
Let me see what this dude
Ain't none of this shit fun no more. This is some crazy shit that we do. He already came down.
He coming now. We gonna have to just take it, baby. Stay on it. That's all. You gotta realize the home we good.
Hey, Josh, hold up. Wait for the rest of the day.
Big boy out roads is what you wanted. That's what you got.
Yeah, this is definitely a rear end video right there.
Oh shit. Whew.
Don, watch this tree root that I'm going over currently.
I don't even see it yet.
Yeah. There it is right there. It's a big tree.
Jennifer, did you keep clean underwear on that?
For the love of God.
Well, that's why you're still here, because he loves you.
Barely.
Whoa, shit.